Hello, good morning. My name is Bryan Saldaña Diaz. I am first semester student of Business Development Marketing area. Today I am going to present you a cooking recipe called How to Make Homemade Pizza. For this recipe you will need 1 kilo of strong flour, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, 2 cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 grams of the fresh yeast. Let's start the homemade pizza recipe. To do this, the first thing we are going to do is to mix in a bowl the warm water with the fresh yeast to make a homemade pizza. Though easily you can use this type of yeast or make a pizza, though with dry yeast both are valid. If you prefer dry yeast, you must mix it with the flour, and if on the contrary you prefer fresh yeast, it is essential to mix it with warm water. Fresh yeast is sold in bulk and must be kept on the refrigerator. In general, about 3 grams of fresh yeast is equivalent to about 10 grams of dry yeast. Keep this in mind in case you want to use a different yeast than the one used in this Italian pizza recipe. When you have mixed the yeast with the water, add the 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix well to integrate all the ingredients for the pizza. When you have mixed the yeast with water, add the 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix well to integrate all the ingredients for the pizza. Before the preparation cools, put the flour and salt in a large bowl and arrange them in the shape of a volcano. Pour the previous mixture in the center. Now is when you have to start kneading well until you notice that the homemade pizza dough stop sticking to your hands and you can handle it without problems. When you have the fluffy pizza dough ready, you should shape into a long tube and cut into 4 partitions. Then make a bowl with each partition and cover. Thin with a clean dry cloth. Let them rest for 15 minutes. You will see that little by little, they will begin to rise until they double in volume. Each bale of dough will service you to make a normal homemade pizza. After the corresponding time, sprinkle a little food on a table. To prepare the homemade pizza, take one of the balls and place it on it. Now you will have to extend it with your hands, stretching in this from the center to the sides, giving it a circular shape. If you have a rolling pin, you can also use it to make the dough thinner. On the stretch, you can add the homemade pizza sauce and the pizza toppings of your choice. You can use the delicious homemade tomato and onion pizza sauce recipe. Once you have chose the ingredients and have your homemade pizza, though ready, you should preheat the oven at maximum temperature for about 20 minutes. After this time, put the homemade pizza preparation in the oven and bake it for about 10 minutes. You will have to watch it because the final time will vary depending of the type of oven and the intensity it as and ready to eat. That's all from for me. Thank you for your attention.